In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Notion desktop app not loading on Windows 11 without shutting down your whole system. First, let's close Notion safely. If the window is responsive, click the X in the top right corner to exit. This gives the app a clean slate without forcing anything drastic. If Notion is frozen and won't close, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Notion in the list, select it, and choose End Task. If you see more than one Notion process, end the main one. Don't worry, this only closes the app. It won't affect your pages or data stored in the cloud. Next, check your internet connection. Notion needs a stable connection to load content, especially right after launch. Look at the network icon on your taskbar and make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you recently switched networks or the signal looks weak, reconnect to your usual network. A quick reconnect can clear up loading issues that look like an app problem. Now, reopen Notion from the Start menu. Press the Windows key, type Notion, and open the desktop app. Give it a moment to initialize. Often, a simple restart after confirming your connection is all it takes for the app to load normally. If Notion still won't load, we'll clear the app's cache. This is optional but safe, and it only removes temporary files that may have become corrupted. Make sure Notion is fully closed first. Then press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% Notion and press Enter. A folder will open. Find the folder named Cache and delete it. Be careful to remove only the cache folder and not anything else. Clearing the cache forces Notion to rebuild those temporary files the next time it starts, which often resolves stubborn loading problems without touching your workspaces or notes. With the cache cleared, reopen Notion from the Start menu. The first launch may take a few extra seconds while the app recreates fresh cache files. After that, it should load normally and feel just as responsive as before. That's it. By closing Notion properly, verifying your internet connection, restarting the app, and, if needed, clearing the cache, you can fix the Notion desktop app not loading on Windows 11 without shutting down your system. And that's how you fix the Notion desktop app not loading on Windows 11, safely and without shutting down your system. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials.